Hello, Due South Senior checking in. I put a video out on YouTube a little while ago for cutting the neck angles on guitars and ukuleles, and it was showed how I built it, and I wasn't thoroughly happy with the device. So being as I wasn't completely happy with it, I went on to build this little contraption here. It has two tracks. It glides on the end of my saw, and it also glides down the middle, so it keeps it real straight. And oh, there, rides in the track, tracks nicely, doesn't wobble. I set it so I could change the angles. It goes all the way down from 70 to all up, so we are by angle 15 degrees. Lock it anywhere in between, and I marked it so I can pretty well gauge it. Make any cut in between if you have to. This morning well, actually it's afternoon. I'm gonna attempt to make a 45 degree cut and see how accurate it is to make a box type arrangement. Now we'll know pretty soon whether this is gonna work out. It's adjustable, and I'll demonstrate how that works. There's a wing nut back here. Oh, it allows you to slide the carriage back and forth, and the reason for that is to get the best angle on your blade. There we go. Alright, I don't need to have it much more than what it needs to cut through a piece of 3/4 inch ply. And you'll see what I mean, hopefully, when I drop the wood in the slot. I'm going to get real daring and see if I can't crank out a couple pieces at a time here. The trick is you bring the sled back, and then you make your adjustment so that you just hit the line on the blade. Tighten down the wing nut. Oh dear. Okay. A little bit of luck, I should be able to anchor this material in here nice and straight up and down. And I'm hoping that when this is done, I will have some 45s. Here come the noise. Yeah. Alright, cut number one. Hopefully we have two of them done here. I'm going to flip these little critters in for end and see how they stack when I line up again. Whoa there! I'll make sure we get the cuts going the way I want them. Won't be much good if they're not the other way. So I want to make a Chevy emblem maybe. Everything else in life, there's no guarantees, but with a little bit of luck, we might get a pretty decent cut here. I'm on the line, should be ready to go for cut number two. Alright, there. Well, we've made two of them. I'll set those aside. Try to make two more. One of it, I'm going to move that around a little bit here. Alright. Let's see what happens this time. Almost seems too easy, don't it? Yeah, we shall see here directly just how easy or not easy it's going to be when we get to the final fit here. Oh. I think we're going to make it. Oh. Alright, with any kind of luck, we should almost have a box. Alright. So what we're going to do is take those pieces out. This comes right out of there real simple like, and I'll just set it to one side. Ooh, no. And raise the bed of the saw, use it for a table. And let's see if we're anywhere near what I'm hoping I come up with here. And this is living dangerously because I didn't practice this beforehand. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Well, I'm going to lay that up and glue it up just to see how it's going to fit, but I say the camera doesn't lie, but maybe it does, but it looks pretty square to me. And by golly, I'm happy with my first cut that I made on this device. Lloyd Dussault Sr. is going to be checking out, and I'll glue this thing up and we'll see how square it stays. Have a good day.